Here we go.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Committed. 4, 3, 2, 1.
We'll call that good. Alright, your 4-minute timer has begun. We have an upside down boat on the exit of turn 1 in that back straight. That's a whole quarter lap. Woohoo! Alright. I got 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Alright, G Limited Mono, Heat 1. You guys need to be heading down here. G Limited Mono, Heat 1 and Heat 2. Make sure you guys are ready. We got 2 minutes and 40 seconds. What's your favorite? Oh. I got 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. We have 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. We got 1 minute and 20 seconds. We got 1 minute. We got 40 seconds. Alright, we got a buoy cut on Joe. You guys have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, give me laps, please.
One minute, 30 seconds to mill time. 1 minute, 15 seconds to mill time. One minute to mill time.
All right, do I have any objections?
45 seconds to mill time.
All right, we're going to mill.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Committed. 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, that was a good start. Good start. All right, we got one down. We got two down. All right, I got three down. I got four down. That is gonna be a last lap, Robert. Last lap, Bubba or Wyatt. This is gonna be a last lap, Joe, and a last lap. Maybe a finish first and a finish second. There's gonna be a finish third and a finish fourth. Beautiful. Go ahead and cut the course, bring it in. Heat 2, you guys should already be down here. Let's go. Heat 2. You guys need to be down here ready to go. In the get ready is GX1 Cat, so make sure those are ready to go as well. Alright, so I need second heat of G Limited Mono, and then I need Cat to make sure you guys are ready to go. Bubba.